Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Sean here. So, in this video, I thought I'd address a question that I've asked, and the question that I got was, um, which programming language should you be using if you're doing robotics programming? As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of robotics research for the past few years. I've been doing, research particularly on mobile robots. Specifically, I'm designing the world's first universal autonomous mobile robot platform. So, a question I always get asked is, which programming language should you use if you're doing robotics programming? And the answer will surprise you. Now, when you're doing robotics programming, if you're doing any type of programming in general, usually the language doesn't matter. What matters is that you choose a language that you can think clearly in, and a language that allows you to leverage existing code that has been tested. One of the most important things in programming, especially now, due to the complexity of the problems we have to solve, is that you have to learn that you must leverage whichever libraries are available to assist with doing what you need to do, the problem you need to solve, before you invest time in creating your own. Because usually you'll have a team of people that will have worked, that will have spent time, and they'll have created a library that you can use to do your own work now, and makes life much easier for you. So if you're choosing a programming language to do robotics programming, whether you're using Haskell, using Lua, using Python, C, C++, whatever you choose, keep in mind that let's ensure that the language you are using must allow you to express your thoughts clearly. Now, so if you're already a veteran, you're already experienced in the field, you may already have your own tools and your own languages that you may be already accustomed to, and that you will know what you want to use. But as somebody now getting started, I'd recommend to use Python for doing any type of work in robotics. The reason is simple. If you're doing anything with artificial intelligence, computer vision, any type of programming that involves using complex algorithms, there are a lot of libraries available in Python already. So if you're doing something like working on model predictive control, or you're designing a behavior tree, you really want to be using Python to do these things, because there are libraries that exist already that allow you to express yourself without getting cluttered in the semantics of the language. Now, there are situations where you may want to use something like C or C++. That situation is if you really want the performance boost that C or C++ may give you, or let's say you're doing something like looking at controlling the brushless DC motor of the robotic platform, the microcontroller within the actual robot, you have a PID loop to right to do that, you will want to be using C or C++ for that real-time control, and because there are a lot of libraries that you can leverage for real-time control with motors using those programming languages. But as you get higher into solving more complex problems, especially if you're looking to leverage something like OpenCV, or any type of TensorFlow, or any type of library that already has a lot of stuff written for you, you want to be using Python. When it comes to writing code for robots in particular, remember these machines will be interacting with people. You want to have as least mistakes as possible. For example, my platform can carry up to 250 pounds. It's very powerful, and it's as tall as I am when I have all the modules added. So it's not something that you really want to be messing around with too much, because it can cause harm to people. So you want the most safety critical code that you have available for that application. And for that reason, I'd say that use Python if you're not sure where to get started. So I hope that answered your question. I try to keep it as simple as possible. If you have any questions for me related to robotics, or related to any type of embedded systems question, anything, make sure and comment below. I have high hopes for this channel. We're going to reach 100,000 subscribers, and I'll be making content tailor-made to my viewers. So if you have any question about robotics at all, make sure and comment below or shoot me an email. I always respond to my emails, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.